Hi, I'm Becky with the Hearst Public Library. I have another craft to show you as part of our STEM Engine series. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math, and this is an easy craft you can do at home with very few supplies. So you need a glass or ceramic plate. I have one of each, and you need dry erase markers. So I did this experiment earlier today, and I figured out that these markers worked best on the glass and these worked best on the ceramic. So you're going to want to play around with this. If it doesn't work the first time you try it, try a different plate, try a different marker. As long as they are dry erase markers, it should work. The other thing you need for the craft is water. And the straw is optional, but you'll see why I have it. It's lots of fun. Okay, so what we're going to do is draw designs on the plate with the dry erase marker. It can be anything you like. Just doing some shapes here. If you are doing a solid shape, you want to fill it in all the way to the edges that you've drawn. I'm going to do a stick man over here. You can really draw anything you like. It can be big or little. And you can even do different colors. Okay, so after you've drawn your designs, then you just take water and you want to pour it slowly near your design. And if it works right, your design should float up and off of the plate. So the science behind this is that unlike permanent markers like Sharpie markers have a adhesive as part of the ink or mixed into the ink that is designed to really grab onto surfaces and be permanently adhered to the surface. But dry erase markers have a different kind of adhesive that can be wiped off very easily. And dry erase marker ink is also insoluble, which means that it does not dissolve in water. So the surface tension of the water lifts your designs off. So I've beheaded my little man here because his body floated, but his head did not. So you can see that the designs have come off and they're floating around. If you have a straw, you can float them around. And another cool thing you can do, blow my man away from my heart, you can make them into temporary tattoos. Oh, I can get it. It's gonna be difficult now. Let's try this plate. Well, maybe not a temporary tattoo, but you can make floating dry erase designs. There we go. Aha, got one. They wipe off pretty easily, so I found that the best thing to do is just sort of let this air dry. You might want to pat around it if the water is bothering you. But once it's dry, they're pretty easy to wipe off. Enjoy!